Hello, beautiful people, and good evening, and welcome to my channel. So, I came across something and I wanted to share with us. Now, imagine we have this value as a percentage on discount. We're going to have an error with this. So, imagine we want to convert this for it to be percentage. How do we do that? If we should come to percentage and change the data type like this, click on replace current. We're going to have this, and this is an error. There's a better way to do this. Okay, so let's get right into it. Go to transform and transform. Come to where you have format and click on the drop down. Click on add prefix. Once you get there, we want to add zero point 0.0. A prefix comes before the value and a suffix comes after the value. So we're adding a prefix. Just write 0.0 and click OK. Now we have it like this. Come to your data type is on ABC and you can now change this to what? Percentage. And we have it formatted easily as a percentage. I hope you got value from this. Have a blessed day. Bye.